Hello friends, in this session I'm going to show you simple inheritance demonstration. So in last session we already discussed what is meant by inheritance and types of inheritance. So let us start with Java program. So I will demonstrate inheritance concept for arithmetic operations. So I will simply create arithmetic demo.java file and see what I'm going to do. I'm going to take two classes. First class will be add operation, and then second class will be my main class, that is arithmetic demo, and this class will have the main method which is, you know, that it is public, it should be public, it should be static, and it should return nothing. This is the array for command line argument. So see what I'm going to do. I'm going to perform addition operation inside parent class add operation. So this method will receive two input from main, and here I'm going to have the inheritance concept. So instance keyword, so see arithmetic demo, this class will acquire the property of add operation, property of add operation class. So arithmetic demo class will have its own property, that is subtraction operation. This will also accept some values, two values from user. Okay, and simply we are going to print those operations. N1 minus N2. N1 plus N2. Now see this is main class. Why this arithmetic demo is main class? Because we have main method defined in that class, and add operation class will act as a parent class. Okay, and this arithmetic demo class will act as a child class because it is acquiring the property of add operation class. So arithmetic demo has an advantage that it can access its own property as well as it can access the add operation property, that is add. Getting? So I will call add, simply will give method name as add and sub. Okay, so we'll follow the naming convention. Getting? So see, sub is property of arithmetic demo and add is property of add operation class. So this arithmetic demo class has an advantage that it can call sub method as well as it can call add method. Add operation class or the object of add operation class cannot call the property or the method of child class. It can call only the method of its own. Getting? So let us create object. So I will create first object of add operation, that is parent class a1. So this will create the object of add operation, and see by using a1 I can call only add method. So give input 10 and 20. So drawback is that for add operation class or the object of add operation class can call only its own method. Getting? Because there is inheritance. This class is a parent class. The object of parent class cannot call the method of child class. Object of child class can call its own method as well as the method of this one parent class. Okay, create object of child class. Dot sub and give input 10 20. Okay, so see, I'm calling here the this sorry A2 is object of child class, that is arithmetic demo. So it can call its own method. There is no any doubt. In addition to this, it can also call method of parent class, and that is possible because of this inheritance concept. Okay, in memory what will happen, see, whenever this object will be created a1, getting, so the object will be created like this. The name of object is a1. It has access of add method, getting, and whenever this a2 will be created, this is a2. So a2 is what? It is a child class. So first it will have the access of this sub, so it can call sub method, and next it is extending the property of add operation. So what is the property of add operation? Add. So it can also call add method. So it will take some space in that a2 object memory, getting. So see, a1 has access of add method, a2 has access of both these methods. So we have done that, and now simply run this. So save this file. I have created that file in bin folder. Simply compile this file. So compilation is successful, and simply run this file. So see, you should get the output addition is 30. So see, this will give call to addition, so this output will be printed. So our inputs are 10 and 20, so addition is 30. Then next we have called subtraction, so this method will be called, so subtraction is -10. And then again we have called addition method, so this will give call to this method, so addition is again 30. So this is an example of simple inheritance or single inheritance. Here we have only two classes, that is parent class and child class. Okay, so this is nothing but inheritance concept. Thank you.